Alright, what's going on, guys? Right now it's 11 o'clock at night. That's why it's dark and you can't see me. So let me lower this computer for a little bit. So I just got off work, and I'm just heating up my car right now. And I had to dig her out of the snow. As you can see, it's snowing outside. So this snowstorm that just hit New Jersey, first of all, it just started snowing about an hour or 2 hours ago, and it's been building up ever since. So it's supposed to get up to 10 or 12 inches of snow. So it's going to be a really great amount. So everyone's going to be stuck, and I really hope that everyone gets home safe. I sincerely hope that I get home safe, because I have quite a ways to get home from work, because I'm about 2 to 3 miles away from home, and crossing my fingers, hopefully nothing bad happens. I have my car in my Jeep. I put it in 4-wheel drive full time, so I'm good in that. I'm good with that in that department. So yeah, step outside a little bit to show you how cool it is, how freaking freezing it is. My exhaust system's having to work overtime. That is one frozen Jeep. What am I saying? So anyways, I dug it out of the snow. It took me about I almost left this out here. That would have been disastrous. Alright, so let's get back inside. It's freaking freezing. Okay. Alright, it's about, this thing is lying right here. It is not 26 degrees out. I don't know if you can see it. It is not 26 degrees out. It's definitely colder than that. I guarantee you, because my feet are freezing. So, what's interesting though is I'm doing 9.4 miles to the gallon. I'm doing better now. I got this much gas left. Okay. 26 degrees. Not the real temperature. I guarantee you it's colder than that. So I'm gonna drive home now. I'm gonna do it responsibly. Anybody who doesn't have 4-wheel drive cars and is only stuck with 2-wheel drive, I wish you the best. I hope nothing bad happens to any of you who only has front or rear wheel drive. Be careful out. You gotta be careful out there. And for the love of God, don't drive fast at all. Be safe, okay? So that's it for this vlog. So I'll see you guys next time.